Go. So what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be trying to take the truck apart. I'm gonna be doing it by myself because everybody's pretty busy today. But I'm gonna show you guys this tank that I painted. I've been kind of practicing on my painting. You know, getting ready to probably paint one of the cars eventually. So this is it right here. The tank that I painted. And then normally Lawrence would be out here to help me, but I think he's kind of busy. I think he's trying to paint some cars right now. He found a booth to rent, so he's pretty much gonna be doing that for a while. So maybe one of these days I'll probably roll with him, try to get some of the work he's doing. But problem, sister's car. Everyone decided to visit today, so we're gonna try to take this apart without hitting my car. We got one door off. I mean, we got both the doors off. This hood's not even attached. I just kind of put it there. Kind of just surprised that honestly hasn't fell over with all the rain and wind. And then got the radio out. Got some of that out. Trying to get the dashboard out right now. So let's go ahead and see. Yeah, what's up? So it's like 10 o'clock at night. Martin's here because he wants to help changing his oil. He's supposed to be here like at 8 o'clock though. So guys always late. So now he can't help me with my truck. So we're gonna wait like another day to get the bed off. But let's go help him change his oil. Oh, he got a new car. I don't think you guys seen it yet though, but I'm gonna change the oil on his new car today. I don't know what he's doing. Look at this. Tell him to back out and go on the street. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is his new car. Him being irresponsible, telling him to change the oil in the street, and he's like halfway to my driveway. Look at this. Oh, and it smells like rubber. This feels burning rubber. Martin, why didn't you just do it right here in the street? You got it on all levels in the driveway. And you gotta hold those things down.
He's still gonna try.
No, go back out in the street. Back out. Grab those. I don't think you do. Bring it over here. He's gonna try to run me over. Look at her. Thinks she's cute. Make sure they're even with his little tires. I think it's a model or something. Look at that, it's not even. Boom, right there. See how easy that was?
Brother, I swear to God, I thought that shit was about to ramp up. I had to choke out the way, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off on that end.
That's what I said. I don't know about this guy. He's trying to take his oil filter off before the drain plug. The struggles. So this is Martin's first oil change on his new car. And he went to AutoZone. And they gave him the wrong filter. Look, this is the filter they gave him. I don't know if you guys see it very well. But it has this big old tip right here. And he's supposed to have pretty much the regular one like that. So now he has to use his old one instead of a new one. Because it's already like, what, 11 something at night? And he can't go to the store and swap it out. This is why you don't go to AutoZone.
Fucking struggles.
Always go to O'Reilly's and ask for me when you go there. Struggles. Look at this. Making a mess in my street.
Look, I don't think no more is coming out.
Look at their struggles. They're trying to shove a rag through that thing to clean it.
No, I'm just trying to get oil in this bitch.
Look at him. Look at him.
Alright, let go.
This is why you take your stuff to a professional, people.
Hold this phone right here.
Which is normally me. But it's too cold to work out here. It's winter. Yeah, look at us. Trying to rinse out an old oil filter. Because AutoZone did us wrong.
Fuck on. Oh shit, my bad. Fuck.
Yeah, get it in there.
Alright, a little bit more. Oh shit. Here, hold the oil filter too.
When you can roll blunts but can't pour oil.
Rolling blunts is easier.
Alright, we're finally finished. Martine's leaving. Look at this guy. Can you see this guy? This guy's gay though. If you guys like him, hit him up.
That's gay, dude.
It's what's your name again? Slide in his DMs. The struggles. Alright, we out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.